I'm here in Green Hills Mall and today, pupunta tayo dito sa Pizza Planet. Tara, pasukin natin.
I went to the newly opened Green Hills Mall to explore the new shops and resto of the place. And I discovered a restaurant where they offer only all-you-can-eat appetizer, wings, pizza, pasta, rice, and bottomless iced tea. Ang hirap talaga mag-diet. For 549 pesos, you can avail of the basic only all-you-can-eat or the 679 pesos for the premium only all-you-can-eat. The difference are the flavor choices. But if you get the premium package, you can also choose the flavors for the basic package. Of course, there are house rules where you must pay extra charges for leftovers. So, pasok na tayo para maumpisaan na natin husgahan ang food choices dito sa Pizza Planet. Pwede din kayo mag-order ng a la carte kung ayaw ninyo ng unli. Just check the food choices in the menu. Hindi ako gaano mateki, so their staff assisted me on how to order using your cell phone. Guys, nakakatuwa kasi sa simpleng pagpindot mo lang ng phone, your order will already be sent to the kitchen and they will prepare it fresh from scratch. And within 15 minutes, your orders will arrive. Malilibang kayo sa ambience kasi para kayo nasa labas ng universe with the different planets na makikita ninyo sa ceiling.
Meron akong nabiling book. It's a Q&A book. So subukan natin sagutin yung lima sa mga questions nila. Today, you needed more blank. Sagot ko dyan, today, you needed more sleep. Medyo puyat pa ako. Dahil galing ako sa birthday party ni Secretary. From work, pumunta ako sa birthday ni Secretary. And then the following morning, back to work ako because kailangan ako nasa office to sign some checks. Second question, if you could change something about today, what would it be? Pang Miss Universe yatang tanong to. Actually wala because so far okay naman yung araw ko. And wala naman siguro dapat baguhin. What's the most expensive thing you're wearing now? My shoes. My shoes. Magkano siya? Secret. Fourth question. What's your favorite word right now? Hindi yata pwedeng sabihin. Ginugol ko pa talaga yung word na to right now. Yung shala. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung shala. Ginugol ko. Ang ibig sabihin pala ng shala is shalalala. Shalala in the morning. Shala, social daw. Shala is a Tagalog word for social. Should you trust your instincts? Sometimes yes, sometimes no. So yun na muna for today.
So nandito na ang orders namin. Ang soy pineapple chicken wings, ang creamy jalapeno with truffle chicken wings, ang plain chicken wings, ang waffle fries with cheesy garlic dip. Of course, hindi pwedeng walang rice. Rice is life. Kakain na. Unahin natin itong waffle fries. Sarap!
Ang bilis na mag-break.
Then try natin itong soy pineapple chicken wings. Best best talaga with rice.
Masarap yung soy pineapple. Busog pa.
Then ito namang kanilang beef barbecue nachos. Look at the cheese, my favorite. Nachos. Then tuloy pa natin ang chicken wings.
Ito yung kanilang quarter pizza. They have 4 different flavors.
Ang gourmet tuyo, ang honey pepperoni, ang truffle mushroom, at ang basil. Try natin muna itong truffle mushroom pizza. Favorite ko talaga ang lasa ng truffle mushroom, especially yung kanyang aroma. Crunchy ang kanyang pizza dough. Yummy up to the last bite. Inom muna tayo. I choose the blue lemonade iced tea. Refreshing. Then ito naman ang kanilang bacon and mushroom pasta with garlic bread.
Ganito ang tamang pagkain ng pasta. Iniikot, pinatwirl, hindi pinuputol para mas madaling isubo.
Sarap ng sauce. Nag-complement talaga ang garlic bread. Grabe, ang bigat sa tiyan pero yum itong kanilang pasta. Then try naman natin itong creamy jalapeno with truffle chicken wings. Sarap ng kanyang spice. Then try natin itong plain chicken wings. Masarap din kahit walang flavorings. Next is the basil pizza. Gusto ko din itong lasa at aroma ng fresh basil. Nakaka-refresh, especially with the crunchy pizza dough. Don't forget to drink.
Tuyo pizza.
Then the tuyo pizza. Something new sa akin itong tuyo pizza. Kakaiba. Inuulit muna. Nachos pa more. Paborito ko din itong nachos.
Pepperoni po. Pepperoni.
Then, ang honey pepperoni pizza. All-time favorite talaga ang pepperoni sa pizza. Busog na naman. Another day has passed. Now going home to planet Earth. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell for new video updates. Thanks for watching!